Interactive Brokers is a professional trading platform offering low fees, global market access, and advanced tools for serious investors. Interactive Brokers, IBKR, is a global powerhouse offering unmatched access to over 100 international markets with industry-leading low-margin rates. While its complex fee structures and advanced trading tools present a brutal learning curve for beginners, its institutional-grade reach makes it highly worth it for active, high-volume investors. Interactive Brokers features two core accounts. IBKR Lite provides zero commission, zero coins, 0.8 stocks and ETFs, while IBKR Pro charges 0.035 to 0.035 per share. Both plans share identical rates for other assets. Options cost 0. 15.0, 65, futures cost 0, 25 to 0. 85 per contract, forex scales from 0.80. 20 BPS, and bonds sit flat at 10 BPS with a 1 minimum. Reddit users say Interactive Brokers is reliable, efficient, and investor-friendly, making trading and tax reporting smooth and easy. It is praised for transparency and professional service. Overall, it's best for serious investors wanting a stable trading platform. Overall, it's worth it for active and professional investors, but it can feel complex for beginners. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.